what would you say some of the challenges you faced so far, you know, being a medical device rep?
Sure. I believe medical sales, and especially medical devices, growing in popularity every year. You know, people are hearing more and more about it through internal networks, whether or not they're connected with a family member that's in medicine in some facet. You hear about it as a job, but a lot of people don't know how you get there. I will say that I ran into some challenges. You know, a lot of organizations, especially, you got kind of two ways you can start in the business, whether it's working for a large company where you're working exclusively for them in a kind of a W-2 setting, representing one company, or I actually took a different route going into the distributor realm. And I joined on board with an independent distribution team in Los Angeles that was doing about $25 million a year in business as a small team. And that is really, you eat what you kill.
Yeah.
So I guess where I was going back as far as challenges that I faced, when I made the jump to go into medical, I'd already been in the sales space for quite some time. I had a lot of accolades. And by that time, actually, I already had my MBA as well. So, but the problem was I didn't have any clinical training. You know, I could sell a product, I could articulate a product to a surgeon, I could make that connection. But if you were to drop me into an operating room, I probably wouldn't have known what I was doing then, and I wouldn't have been that great of a value. So the challenging portion for me was demonstrating that I was willing to take some sacrifices in whatever, you know, career they had seen on paper to make that jump into medical sales. So it might have even been a year or two of taking a little bit of hidden pay, but seeing the long-term benefits and goals. And to be honest, I was a little bit older, and a lot of companies didn't want to take that chance on me. They thought that I might have learned maybe some. What's that?
I thought you were 21.
Oh, I'm close, but I think the gray throws me off a little bit.
The gray.
Maybe I need to get in some coloring.
Yeah, no, totally. No, totally. So